Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today in our video it's a tutorial video which we are going to do how to make a simple syrup for usage of beverages that is been served in Malaysia or Asia. There are types of beverages that we need simple syrup to add some sugary taste into the drinks. So without further delay, let's get into the kitchen and see how it is being made. Dear viewers, to make this simple syrup, first of all our main ingredients is sugar and also water. I have 2 cups of sugar and 1.5 cup of water. And I also have some salt and a few pieces of Pandan Leaves. Some people call it as Pandan Leaves, but I call it as Pandan because that's the way it was pronounced in Malaysia, so I'm calling it as Pandan Leaves. In English it is called screw pine. So without further delay, let's get into the stove. And so to begin with, we shall boil the water. So it's 1.5 cup of water. And to this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, or quarter teaspoon of salt is perfect. And we shall cover it and we'll wait for the water to be boiled. Dear viewers, the water has already started to boil, and this is the time we shall add the sugar. And let this sugar come to a dissolve mode. For this, we shall just keep on stirring till the sugar comes to a dissolve mode. Dear viewers, the sugar has been boiled has dissolved, and this is the time that we can add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I missed out in my list of ingredients, so you can add them now and let it come to a boil. This lemon juice is to prevent from crystallizing, so we will wait for the sugar syrup to come to a boil. As the sugar syrup is now boiling, and we can now turn off the stove and remove, and before I remove, I'll add the pandan leaves. And cover it and remove from the stove. Dear viewers, our syrup is being cooled off, so now we can remove the pandan leaves. And we can strain them before our usage. It's always good to strain everything so that if there's any dirt or anything that is stuck, it'll come out, it will just hold it. And so I have a measuring cup here. I got about 2 cups of syrup, and this is my simple syrup for drinks that which I have prepared. So I will see you in my next video on what are the drinks I can make by adding this syrup. So stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. For those who are new, welcome aboard, and those who have been with me, thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye for this tutorial video.